Hi everyone, Shirley Campbell here from Shirley Campbell Success. So this is the second in our little video series of top tips. We spoke last time about goals, getting clear on your purpose, knowing your why. Why are you getting into property investing? So today we're moving on to strategy. Just as it is important to get clear on your goals, it is very, very important to get clear on your strategy. Now, we said that we can make money in two main ways, cash flow and capital growth, but under each of those are a number of subheadings. So if you're looking at capital growth, you could be buy a property and hold it for the long term. You could be building new houses and then holding them for the long term for capital growth. You can buy a property and refurbish it or renovate it and then hold it for the long term. If you're looking at cash flow, then you might be considering a flip, buying a property, renovating, refurbishing, depending upon where you are in the world, and then selling that for cash flow. You could buy a property that has a good rental yield and you're gaining your cash flow from your tenants. There are many, many ways. That's just a few of the things that you can do. So now you're clear on your what, which strategy works for you. Now again, a common mistake is that people rush into a strategy. They see something on TV, for example, flipping. They see a flipping, think, I can do that, that's great. They rush in without actually considering their long-term goals. You have to get clear on what is important to you. When you're clear on what is important to you, the strategy will make sense. Now, strategy is also linked to time. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how much time have you got available to designate for your property investing journey? So that can determine how much time you are spending on a particular strategy. Now, for that reason and that reason alone, you should decide on one or two strategies, one being your primary strategy. It matches your goals. It matches the commitment for your time, how much you can give it. And then have a second strategy that you're still learning about. But what I think is really important, and this is where the big money is, becoming a master of that primary strategy. So you do it again and you improve it. You do it again and you improve it again. You do it again and now it gets better. It gets faster, and you also get your money, how much money you are spending actually comes down, and your time goes down as well. So the idea is that you are spending less both on time and resources because you're becoming a master at it. You're becoming really, really good at this strategy. And in the meantime, you're learning about another thing. Now, for me, my strategy was renovation. Now, I applied that to a whole gamut of property, but my primary strategy was renovation, and I became a master at that, and I was able to amass quite a large portfolio and made a lot of money along the way because I mastered renovation as my strategy. Now, I spend a lot of time on strategy because it is so important. When I'm teaching students or meeting with people, they're the first three things I ask you. Are you clear on your goals? And what strategy are you going to use and why? And how is that going to benefit you and getting there? Now, if you're interested in getting more help in either working out what your goals are and defining them, or getting clear on which strategy matches with you, then please go across to my Facebook page and Shirley Campbell Success, and you'll find lots of tips in there. Send me a message and I can send you some training on goals and strategy, because it's so important for your success. It feels like you're not actually doing anything yet because you're just writing stuff down, but this is the foundation for your long-term success. The clearer you are on your goals and strategy, the more successful you will be, definitely, in the long term. I hope this has been benefit to you. Bye-bye.